Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy Hyderabad. A wonderful video it is. General awareness, you can say GK improvement program. Already have uploaded a number of videos and this is the next one. It's I think if you take the number 5th or 6th, I hope. Anyhow, the topic of general awareness, you know well. You write any examination in India, smaller level, of course, to upper level, or you can say A to Z. GK plays a key role so that within days of time, if you write CUET, yes, importance of this is what you can say. GK plays a key role. You write, of course, CLAT. You just say our UPSC examination. Anything you take it, my friends. GK plays a very, very important role that you know. So same, I just what in the same style, I can share the question paper, almost 40 bits, and try all these questions, my friends. That's a great thing. Come on, start. In this case, what do you say? I'll start with third question, beta. The third question here is, Azad Hind Fauj was, yes, founded by option A, Subhash Chandra Bose, B, Rash Bihari Bose, C, Madan Lal Dhigra, D, Bhagat Singh. But the answer for this question is a great personality, wonderful man of this freedom struggle. That's Subhash Chandra Bose. But here the second question, of course, here. The first test tube baby was born in option A, the USA, B, France, and C, the UK, D, India. But the answer for this question is, of course, the UK. That's on July 25th of 1978. Remember. Next question, number 4 here, beta. Who among the following rulers? Yeah, I want to know the name of this ruler. Organized the second Buddhist assembly. Option A, Ajatashatru. B, say beta, Ashoka. C, Ananda. Of course, D, Kalashoka. So beta, this is of course Kalashoka is the right answer. And where the first council held, if needed, if anybody asks you that, that's Rajagriha, right? Now check the second and third also. The major point is what? Fourth is done by Kalashoka. Then come to the point here. IC chips, it's a science and technology question. IC chips for computers are usually made of chromium, B, gold, C, lead, D, silicon. But the answer you know well, it's silicon. Now question number 6. Tansen Award has been sponsored by the government of which state? Otherwise, Tansen Award by which state? Simply option A, Kerala, B, Andhra Pradesh, C, Madhya Pradesh, D, Gujarat. But the answer you know that is Madhya Pradesh. And science question in school days, you can have this question definitely everybody. I think they will do that. A decibel is a unit for measuring of option A, heat, B, light, C, sound, D, weight. But the answer is sound. Now, 8th question you observe here. Jahangir Khan is associated with which sport? Right? Bridge champion, tennis champion, C, squash, D, badminton. So what I think by this question you should know, but not only focusing upon certain games like cricket, or you can say, right, whatever we have now, football, everything you have to focus better. Badminton, you can say badminton. We'll have a certain idea about the top games in India, but we have to feel now onwards every game is a top game. So option is squash game. Which among the following industries consuming the maximum power? Actually, we should say that steel and aluminum for this question. So I don't give exactly right out of these two. Of course, aluminum is also one of the answers. At the same time, steel also. Then go to question number 10. Nobel Prizes are awarded on which day every year to commemorate the death anniversary of the Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel. But if a single question you find, of course, the majority information is there. Alfred Nobel belongs to which country? You understood that. He's Swedish. In color, Sweden. At the same time, yeah, why? On the commemoration of his death anniversary. That's number 2. Of course, Nobel Prizes because of this Alfred Nobel. Very great thing. So that's on which day? That's the question is what? But the option is 10th December. So 10th December has one more significance that you know already, I think. It's observed as Human Rights Day. 10th December is specifically meant for Human Rights Day. Better. Now question number 11. The currency of Thailand is option A, Kyat, B, Baht, C. Dollar. D. Yen. Beta, you know this is what you call baht for this one, but you know what about cats? I'll tell that baht just a second. It's Myanmar, or you can say Myanmar, right? This is what you call our previous Burma. Burma, of course, renamed as what you can say. The new name of Burma is Myanmar. So that is what you call here. Even people say Myanmar also, correct. Now baht is the right answer for Thailand, but the yen is for, I think, you know, it's Japan. Dollar is USA, Australian dollar, different name is their countries. So dollar is for USA, we have to say that. So answer is baht, B-A-H-T. Now 12th question, beta. The hottest planet in the solar system. Option A, Mercury. B, Venus. C, Mars. D, Neptune. But the answer for this question is Venus. Yeah, the mass of the moon in comparison to the Earth is option A, 1 by 4. B, 1 by 80. And C, 1 by 200. D, none. No doubt the answer is 1 by 80. Right? 1 by 80th of that. Argentina is located in, yes, in fact, it's a country, right? Very wonderful, of course, you know, football and all, you might be knowing that. Option A, Asia. B, Iceland. C, Sri Lanka. D, none. But Argentina is located in, if you had to write that answer is Asia, but it's not the Asian, it's not that particular continent. The answer is, you know, South America. So answer is none, we have to say. None is the right answer, beta. Now come to the point of 15th. Sick man of Europe is the nickname for which country? Sick man of Europe is the nickname for which country, beta, here? So just you check it. The names have changed, of course. Turkey, that's why you can say Oxford, Rome and Harvard. The option is definitely Turkey. Now you can say Turkey has been changed to Turkey. Now beta, question number 16. McMahon line is the line forming the border between. Yes, it's a border line between two countries. Name them. That's McMahon line is the line forming the border between option A, India, China. B, India, Pakistan. C, India, Nepal. D, India, Bhutan. Beta, India, Pakistan, you know that it's Radcliffe. But whereas here, okay, Radcliffe here, answer is India, China. Of course, India and China is right answer. That line is McMahon line. Beta, here, diamonds are abundantly found in, no doubt you can say here South Africa and Russia also. So that is what you can just strong answer. Out of 4, definitely they won't give it. Russia is correct answer, South Africa also correct answer. And in that particular case, if logistic, you can say that based on your option, Russia, you can go with that. I'll go to the question number 18. The largest producer of silk. The largest producer of silk is Japan, India, China, Brazil. Beta, answer no doubt. It's China, beta. Question number 19. Razia Sultan belonged to the dynasty. Which dynasty? Khilji or Tughlaq or Mamluk or none? No, of course, Lodhi. So answer is Mamluk, right answer, beta. Mamluk is the right answer, remember. Now come to the point of question number 20, beta. The last Mughal emperor to grace the throne of Delhi was, yes, the last Mughal emperor to grace the throne of Delhi was Bahadur Shah Zafar. That you can say Bahadur Shah II, you can say. Anything is correct. Then go to question number 21, Baba. Gandhiji launched a Satyagraha movement in 1920 called the option A, non-cooperation movement. B, boycott movement. C, Swadeshi movement. And D, Swarajya movement. No doubt. This is what you call, please. No, that's option A, non-cooperation movement. But a very important point here, the number of regional languages recognized by the constitution. But in the beginning, of course, we had only 14. Later, it has become 18. Now we have today 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. And if you just go to that 8th schedule, you can find in the Constitution. That means what the languages in 8th schedule, beta. That's what, of course, 22 today. The number of members of the Rajya Sabha nominated by the President of India. Yes, everybody, of course, definitely try this. Definitely, you will answer correct. Of course, your answer is correct also. We'll try definitely that. So point in the case is number of members of Rajya Sabha nominated by the President of India is 12 members, beta. Right? Yeah, you know all to whom actually we can nominate employees from art, culture, social working, right? Those who are eminent personalities, science and technological, any scientist like that, we can nominate them to Rajya Sabha, of course, the President of India. The first woman governor of an Indian state. The first women governor of an Indian state was Sarojini Naidu, beta. Option is A. What about this? Suchita Kripalani has a very specific thing. She was the first chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. You can say that in India. The first women's chief minister in India was Suchita Kripalani. That's for Uttar Pradesh, of course. Next, Pratibha Singh Devi Patil. She was a first woman president of this wonderful country. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, of course, she was the president of United Nations organization represented India. That's so many, all are great personalities here. So option is for this question. Nightingale of India is first woman governor of Indian state was Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. The training command of the Indian Air Force is at which place? 25th beta. The training command of the Indian Air Force is located at which place indicates option A. Gandhinagar, B. Bengaluru, C. Allahabad, and D. Shillong. No doubt beta answer is Bengaluru. Right? That's, Bangalore was there. Now it has become Bengaluru. India's first election commissioner was. Generally, they will ask this type of questions, please. Right? Very important question it is. At the time of elections in 1951-52, the first elections in 1952, you can say that. But started in 51, of course, but ended in 52. So that we can say 1952 always. Same style. At that time also the great election commissioner was there. It was E. Option is Sukumar Sen. Yes, I have uploaded in my charts also. Right? Everything, this type of questions every day. Maximum on an average, I am covering one question in my charts. Just go through that one, subscribe to a wonderful channel of mine. That's Mantra IAS Academy, and is send to your friends. Those who are willing to join our academy for any competitive examination, including, of course, our wonder thing, UPSC Civil Services Examinations, right? That is what you call IAS IPS, and it is PCM program, beta, prelims, cum mains, and other exams which we are offering here is CLAT, CUET, right? At the same time, AILET, and our state examination, LAWCET, right? Even any exam, of course, if you prepare, most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy, my friends. And just otherwise, please tell your friends. They will be, of course, benefited. I can challenge in that one. My experience will work. Definitely, beta. Which is the core metal of chlorophyll? Option A, magnesium. B, manganese, and C, iron. D, phosphorus. Option is magnesium, beta. The deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? No need of telling this answer. Everybody know this answer. A vitamin. Vitamin A. You can say vitamin A. On the flag of which country will you see a lion holding a sword? Option A, Russia. B, Sri Lanka. C, Bhutan. D, Nepal. Yes, answer is Sri Lanka. Just go through the world map. You can find all these things. And you have to know that, of course. Now, aviation fuel for jet airplanes consists of purified, option A, petrol. B, kerosene. C, gasoline. D, diesel. Beta answer is purified kerosene is the option, beta. B. Now, question number 31. Filter beds used to remove suspended impurities from municipal water consists of option A, fine sand. B, gravel it is. Gravel. C, charcoal. D, all of these. Exactly all of these is the right answer, beta. Then go to question number. Right. The first SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. I'll repeat. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation is called as SARC. The first SARC summit was held at which place? Beta, that was in, of course, the capital of Bangladesh. It's Dhaka. Right? Now, question number 33. Interpol means International Political Conference. Now, International Criminal Police Organization. This is right answer, beta. International Police, called as what? International Criminal Police Organization. Please go to question number 34. Who was the first Indian to be the President of UN General Assembly? I told the same answer previously when these great personalities are there. I mentioned the same thing here. The answer is, of course, question number 34, the same. That's who was the first Indian to be the President of UN General Assembly was Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Question number 35, beta. The Indian national calendar is based on option A, Christian era. B, Shaka era. C, Vikram era. D, Hijri era. Beta, answer for this question is Shaka era. Shaka era. Then go to question number 36. Which is the oldest Veda? You know well this question, of course. Even this question was covered in our charts previously. Which is the oldest Veda? Option A, Samveda. B, Yajurveda. C. Atharvaved. D. Rigveda. Yes, this is the first answer. The option D is right answer. Rigveda. My friends, go to question number 37. Lord Buddha was born in. No doubt that is in Nepal, right? Now present day, it's in Nepal. Option A, Lumbini. B, Vaishali. C, Bodh Gaya. D, Patliputra. Better answer for this question is Lumbini. Right? Lumbini is in Nepal. Next, Ashoka was much influenced by a Buddhist monk. Ashoka was much influenced by a Buddhist monk. Yes, who was the name? Called. Option A, Upagupta. B, Vasubandhu. C, Ashwaghosha. D, Ambhi. Better option is for this question is Upagupta. Then please go to question number 39. Diamond is an allotropic form of silicon, carbon, sulfur, none. Option A, silicon. B, carbon. D, sulfur. C, sulfur. D, none. Yes, answer is carbon. Better balloons are filled with helium, oxygen, nitrogen and argon. No doubt the answer for this question, please. Helium. Right? It's a very important point, my youngsters. Hope you understood. I'll upload one more video within days of time. Just follow my channel and tell to your friends. Share it. Yeah, this purely, of course, just by watching minimum, of course, minimum spending of your own time, you will get beautiful questions here. Have a great time. We'll meet again with another video. Bye-bye, my friends. Take care.